Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Understanding Python Class Variables, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Python, being an object-oriented programming language, allows developers to create and work with classes. Classes are essentially blueprints for creating objects, and they can contain both instance variables and class variables. In this tutorial, we will delve into the concept of class variables in Python, exploring their definition, usage, and how they differ from instance variables. Class variables are variables that are shared among all instances of a class. Unlike instance variables, which are unique to each instance of a class, class variables are common to all instances. They are defined within the class but outside any method, making them accessible to all instances of that class. In the example above, class_variable is a class variable, and it will be the same for both obj1 and obj2. Each instance also has its own instance_variable, which is unique to that instance. Class variables are accessed using the class name, while instance variables are accessed using the instance name. Changes to class variables are reflected in all instances, as they are shared. However, modifying instance variables only affects the specific instance.